A very good morning, respected Principal Sir, Parul Ma'am, Nidhi Ma'am, and all teachers and everyone present here. I welcome you all. Today we have gathered here for an event filled with knowledge, curiosity, and excitement. Science is not just a subject we learn in school. It is a way of thinking, questioning, problem solving, and discovering the world around us. And what can be the better way to test the understanding than through a thrill competition, the science quiz? From atom to galaxy, science helps us to understand how everything works. And as Albert Einstein said, that important thing is to never stop questioning. So let's begin. But firstly, with the spirit of curiosity, we feel honored to welcome our esteemed principal sir who have graced his event as our judge today. Before we dive into the quiz, I would like to call respected Sarita ma'am to tell the rules.
A very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to pay special thanks to our Honorable Principal Sir, Akhilesh Mishra Sir, Shikha Ma'am, and dear coordinators for their support, guidance, and their valuable suggestions. And to groom the students, your views are very, very important for us. So, and most important are participants who are rock stars of today and non-participants also my dear students. So I welcome you all. Before starting the quiz, there are some rules for the quiz. So all of you have to be listen carefully that there are 5 rounds. In each round, there are 2 questions for each house student. For correct answer, 4 marks will be given. There is negative marking also. -2 marks will be given for wrong answer. And if you will not answer the question, then you will get the 0 marks. And this question will be disqualified, means that question will be passed to the audience, not to rest of the team members. And the duration for the answer is 30 seconds. Now I would like to request Abhishek sir, please start the quiz. Now the round 1 is going to begin. So first question is for Gandhi House. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Option A, phosphorus. Option B, bromine. Option C, chlorine. Option D, helium.
Bromine. Option B, bromine.
It's the correct answer.
Now the next question is for Nehru House. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is option A, nitrogen, option B, hydrogen, option C, carbon dioxide, option D, oxygen.
The answer is option A, nitrogen.
It's the correct answer.
Now the next question is for Patel House. The property of a solid which prevents it from changing shape easily is called option A, fluidity, option B, rigidity, option C, compressibility, option D, viscosity.
Option B, rigidity.
It's the correct answer.
The next question is for Tagore House. When ice melts, its temperature, option A, increase, option B, decrease, option C, remains constant, option D, fluctuates.
The correct answer is option C.
It's correct.
The next question is again for Gandhi House. Which of the following is a pure substance? Option A, milk. Option B, air. Option C, iron. Option D, salad.
Option C, iron. It's correct answer.
Now the next question is for Nehru House. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Option A, soil. Option B, blood. Option C, air. Option D, oil and water.
The correct answer is blood.
It's wrong answer.
Now this question is passed to the audience. I request to the audience, please, who know the answer, raise your hand. Very good. The next question is for Patel House. Solid solution in which the solute is gas. Option A, copper dissolved in gold. Option B, camphor in nitrogen. Option C, solution of hydrogen in palladium. And option D is all of the above.
Option D, all of the above.
It's a wrong answer.
Anyone knows about this? Who knows the answer?
Answer C. Sodium of hydrogen in solution.
Very good. This is correct answer. Now, the next question is for Tagore House and it is last question for round 1. What is the main use of salt in the diet? Option A, to provide energy. Option B, to produce hydrochloric acid for digestion. Option C, to prevent scurvy. And option D, to produce acid for absorption of vitamin D.
Option D, to acid in the absorption of vitamin D.
Wrong answer. Minus 2 marks will be given to Tagore House. Now, this question is passed to the audience.
C. To prevent sequelae.
Scurvy, no. It is incorrect answer. Option B is correct answer, to provide hydrochloric acid for digestion. The round 1 is over. Now I would like to request respected Usha ma'am, please announce the result of round 1.
Round first winner is Gandhi House. Because it gave both the right answer. Now first question goes to Gandhi House. Question is, the human nose can smell. Option A, more than 1 billion different scents. Option B, more than 10 lakh different scents. Option C, more than 1 trillion different scents. Option D, more than 10 billion different scents.
Option D, more than 10 billion different scents.
It is wrong answer. Minus 2 marks is given to you. Now this question is passed to the audience.
Option C, more than 1 trillion cents.
Yes, very good. Option C is the correct answer. More than 1 trillion different cents. Now next question goes to Nehru House. How much saliva produced per day in human's mouth? Option A, about 1 liter. Option B, about 2 liter. Option C, about 3 liter. Option D, about 5 liter. Yes, this question goes to audience, beta.
Option A, about 1 liter.
Yes, very good. It's the right answer. Now next question goes to Patel House. Question is, a food never spoils and can last for thousands of years. Option A, honey. Option B, grains. Option C, pulses. Option D, vegetables.
The correct answer is option A, honey.
Very good, it's the right answer. Now next question goes to Tagore House. Question is, length of all the blood vessels in an adult's body. Option A, more than 2 times Earth's equator. Option B, more than 4 times Earth's equator. Option C, more than 3 times Earth's equator. Option D, equal to Earth's equator.
They have passed the questions. In audience, anyone of you know the answer?
Equal to Earth equator.
No, it's wrong answer. Correct answer is more than 4 times Earth equator. Now this question goes to Gandhi House. Question is, animal cells are commonly stained with, options are methylene blue, acetocarmine, safranin, iodine solution.
Option A, methylene blue.
Yes, very good. It's the right answer. Next question goes to Nehru House. Which of the following liquid is not used in the preparation of stained temporary mount of onion peel? Options are water, glycerin, safranin, methyl alcohol. We have already prepared the slides in the lab, no? So which material is not used?
Option B, glycerine.
No, it's a wrong answer. Right answer is methyl alcohol. Next question goes to Patel House. Question is, a permanent plant tissue consisting of thin-walled living cell is, options are parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem.
Option A, parenchyma.
Very good, correct answer. Next question goes to Tagore House. Question is, a student observed the slide of a nerve cell and labeled the branches around the cell body as, options are cyton, dendrite, axon, nerve ending.
Option B, dendrite.
It is correct answer. You got 4 marks for this.
For the second round, Patel House is winner. Now, at the end of the second round, Patel House and Gandhi House both are having 10 marks. Now, a huge round of applause for the Gandhi House and Patel House. So, my dear student, round 3 is going to begin. So, question 1 is for Gandhi House. Rocket move on the basis of option A, Newton's first law of motion, Newton's second law of motion, Newton's third law of motion, Newton's law of gravitation.
Option C, Newton's third law of motion.
It's correct answer.
Nehru House, just listen the question. The most efficient engine is, the options are steam, electric, petrol or diesel.
Ma'am, diesel.
Wrong answer. Electric is correct answer for it. So -2 will be given to Nehru House for the wrong answer. Now the next question is for Patel House. In myopia, defected person suffers from, option A, nearsightedness, option B, farsightedness, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these.
The answer is B, farsightedness.
Yes, right answer. Next question is for Tagore House. Where does of your weight will be 0? Option A, at north and south pole. Option B, at equator. Option C, on the ocean. Option D, at the center of the earth.
Option D, at the center of the earth.
Option D, at the center of the earth. Right answer. Now the next question is for Gandhi House. Safety belt in a car is used because, option A, it makes us sit tightly and thereby makes us comfortable. Option B, it exerts a force on our body to make the forward motion slow. Option C, it makes driving easier when change in speed. Option D, it is totally depend on our choice to use it or not while seated in a car.
Option B, it exerts a force on our body to make the forward motion slow.
It's correct answer.
Now the next question is for Nehru House. When we hit a pile of carom coins at bottom, coins moves out while the other coins fall vertically. It is due to, Option A, frictional force. Option B, speed of carom striker. Option C, it is due to smoothness of carom board. Option D, it is due to inertia.
The answer is option D. It is due to inertia.
It is the correct answer.
Now the next question is for Patel House. Which one is the example of second law of motion? Option A, luggage tied over the roof of a bus. Option B, cannon firing a missile. Option C, separation of dust particle from carpet. Option D, athlete take long run before taking a long jump.
Option D. Athlete take long run before taking a long jump.
It is the right answer.
Now the next question is for Tagore House. A dentist uses option A, a concave lens. Option B, a concave mirror. Option C, a convex lens. Option D, a convex mirror. Time's up. This question is passed to the audience.
Anyone from audience? Harsh Palian.
Concave lens.
Wrong answer. A concave mirror is right answer.
Yes, in third round, two houses, Gandhi and Patel, got same score. They got 8 marks. Big round of applause for that. It is a tie round.
Yes, dear students, these 3 rounds are related to your subjects, and mostly we try to frame the questions which are included in your class syllabus. So now the next 4th and 5th round is science facts. All the questions are science facts. Yeah, we can say the area is vast, so read the questions carefully, and most of the questions you will find that you have definitely studied earlier also. So the round 4 is going to be begin. Same 2 questions will be asked to the each team. Okay? And one more thing, there is no option. So we can say that closed type of platform is going to be given to you. So you have to be analyze yourself. Yes, the first question is for the Gandhi House.
Which part of body is affected by malaria?
Sir, blood.
Wrong answer. Now this question is passed to the audience. And first of all, audience, you have to raise your hands. Who knows the answer?
Sir, platelet.
Platelets is not a body part. Which part of the body is affected by malaria? The correct answer is liver.
How will you remember if this question is asked in future? Both these words have the common letters L and R. In malaria, there is L, R. In liver, there is L and R. So it is easy to remember?
Okay, next question is for Nehru House. What is the name of the voice box of human?
The answer is larynx.
Yes, right answer, larynx. Next question is for Patel House. Blood pressure is measured by which instrument? Time's up. This question is passed to the audience. Right answer is sphygmomanometer. Tagore House, are you ready? The study of blood is called as. The study of blood is called.
They are passing the question.
Okay. 0 marks for Tagore House.
Any from audience?
The right answer is hematology. Yes, at last Ridhima and Swada, I think so that you know the answer. The question is for Gandhi House. In chips packet, oxygen is removed and which gas is filled instead? It is very common question. Multiple times I have discussed in the class. Time's up.
Nitrogen.
Answer is right, but your time. So just wait. I request to my judges, what should we do? Rule is rule. Okay. And the right answer is nitrogen. All of you should remember it. Now the next question is for Nehru House. What is the pH of pure water? What is the pH value of pure water?
The answer is 7.
Answer is 7. Right. Next question is for Patel House. Name the device is used to look at stars. Which device is used to look at the stars?
The answer is telescope.
Telescope. Right answer. Which part of the eye controls light intake? Just discuss and then give the answer.
Iris.
Yeah, correct answer. Now Usha ma'am will tell you the score.
In round 4, the Nehru House got 8 marks, which is the winner.
Round 5 for Gandhi House. What kind of scientist studies space? Pass the question to audience. Make sure you will get 0 marks for it.
Astronomy.
Sorry?
Astronomy.
Astronomer. Correct answer. Just give toffee to him. Next question is for Nehru House. What kind of energy is stored in a battery?
Ma'am, chemical energy.
Chemical energy. Wow, correct answer. All of you are doing very well. So, question 3 is for Patel House. What is a frozen ball of gas, rock and dust in space? Time is going to be over fast. Just pass the question to the audience.
Comet.
Comet is correct answer. So the next question is for Tagore House. What part of the brain is responsible for memory? What part of the brain is responsible for memory?
Cerebrum.
Yes, right answer.
Cerebrum.
Now the last round for all the houses members. So first question is for Gandhi House. What is the common name for sodium carbonate? Gandhi House. Yes.
Select climb. Select climb.
Yes, Gandhi House, you have given wrong answer, so minus 2 marks will be given to you. Yeah, this question is passed to the audience.
NaCO3.
Common name.
Common name. In day-to-day life, we are...
Baking soda. Baking soda.
Wrong answer. Washing soda is correct answer for it. So, next question is for Nehru House. Which gas is the main component of biogas and CNG? Which gas is the main component of biogas and CNG? Do you want to pass the... Yes, audience?
Any of you?
Carbon dioxide.
Sit down, sit down.
That is not a relevant answer. Team members, participants, no? CH4, methane gas. So the next question is for Patel House. Name the element which is also known as white gold.
Pass.
Why? Just
Because we are
wait.
winning.
Take your time. You are thinking that instead of giving a wrong answer, it would be better to pass the question. Am I right? Yeah. It is platinum. Platinum is known as the white gold. And that cost is also less instead of pure gold. So the last question is for Tagore House. What is the name of first artificial satellite? What is the name of the first artificial satellite?
Sputnik 1.
Yeah, right answer. So,
Tie.
yeah. So now I am announcing the question for Tagore as well as Patel House. So the first question is for Patel House. Who invented the telephone? Who invented the telephone? This question is for Patel House. Now time is going to be on. I am passing this question to the Tagore team. Same question. Yeah. Who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Yes, students, the complete answer is Alexander Graham
Graham
Bell.
Bell.
So most of the time we have listened only Graham Bell.
They are
One
not
more
taking.
question.
They are not taking risk.
You have to take risk. What natural resource is used to make glass? What natural resource is used to make glass?
Sand.
Sand is correct answer. But now, yes. Yes, Tagore House.
There is do and die condition.
Listen carefully. You don't have option to pass the question. If you will pass, then winner team will be announced, Patel. Okay? So the question is, which planet is tilted on its side? Which planet is tilted on its side?
Earth. Earth.
Wrong answer. Answer is Uranus. Uranus is that planet which tilt on its own side. Weight is or. We have the result on the board also. But hearing the victory is more prominent as compared to looking at the board. I think so. So now I would like to call our Honorable Principal Sir. Please announce the result.
Good morning, everyone. I feel delighted to be here. A science quiz conducted very well. Teachers, they worked very hard to organize this quiz, and all the students, they have performed very well. It's a quiz. Obviously, there is going to be a winner. Gandhi House, initially you worked very hard and you were very close. But you got the 4th position. Unfortunately. Nehru House, you got the 3rd position. Tagore, 2nd. And Patel is the winner. Initially, Patel House, you escaped. Escaped in the sense that you passed many questions to avoid defeat. Because you knew very well that you were leading. But in the tie-up round, you emerged as a winner. So congratulations. My heartfelt congratulations to all, particularly Patel House, to the teachers, Sarita ma'am, Usha ma'am, Ayush sir, Abhishek sir. We are happy. Even Akhilesh sir, he has spared his precious time. Shikha ma'am is here. Parul madam is here. Sham sir on the top. So thank you everyone. The last, that is the 4th and 5th round, surprise questions were asked. And that created very excitement. Because you never know. So whenever a quiz is held, keep in mind that always do ask surprise questions, so that the students feel encouraged to read on their own, to keep finding facts. So again, congratulations to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected Principal Sir, respected teachers, Parmar Sir, Shikha Ma'am, and dear students, आप बहुत बहुत बधाई के पात्र सभी बच्चों ने बहुत शानदार किया और इस क्विज का बेनिफिट तो डेफिनेटली उसमें आप विनर बनेंगे। तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि इस बार हमारे 9th-10th के ग्रुप के बच्चे भी जो लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने नाम रोशन किया 2 बच्चों ने, इस बार उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप लोग उसमें विनर बनेंगे। अगेन सबको बहुत बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। टीचर्स ने जो मेहनत की है उनको बधाई के पात्र हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, all of you, special our judges who gave their precious time to attend this quiz and motivate the students. And I would like to thanks to Pramar sir who gave his precious time, and Adil sir who managed all the things, Ayush sir, and our anchor Aradhya, who prepared the anchoring content at the last. We can say on the spot she has prepared. So a huge round of applause for her.